Welcome back Car Review everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing concept vehicles ever revealed by Toyota, a futuristic masterpiece that redefines what luxury and innovation look like on wheels. This isn't just a bus, an RV, or a luxury van. This is Toyota's vision for the future of premium mobility, a vehicle that blends elegance, advanced technology, and futuristic design in a way that feels years ahead of its time. So let's take a deep dive into every detail, from the stunning exterior design to the luxurious interior, the performance technology powering it, and the expected price range of this automotive marvel. Starting off with the exterior, it's clear that Toyota has thrown traditional design out the window. The body is sculpted with precision and features a stunning two-tone color combination of glossy black and metallic silver. The overall shape is aerodynamic yet bold, with smooth curves and sharp lines that create a dynamic silhouette. At the front, a massive LED light strip runs across the entire fascia, giving the vehicle a signature futuristic glow. The iconic Toyota emblem sits proudly in the center of the blacked-out grille, surrounded by intricate design patterns that enhance its premium appearance. The bumper design is aggressive yet elegant, complemented by LED accents that flow around the edges. The huge panoramic windshield stretches seamlessly over the roof, giving the driver an aircraft-like field of vision. Along the sides, we see flush doors, minimal panel gaps, and sleek mirrorless cameras replacing traditional side mirrors. The multi-spoke chrome wheels with low-profile tires add a luxurious finishing touch, and the glowing Toyota logos and blue underbody lighting give it a sci-fi feel that instantly grabs attention. Moving inside, the interior of this Toyota concept takes comfort and innovation to a whole new level. As soon as you step inside, you're welcomed into a space that feels more like a luxury lounge or private jet cabin than a road vehicle. The cabin is designed using high-end materials, soft leather upholstery, brushed aluminum trims, and ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted in color and intensity. The seating layout is spacious, offering fully reclining seats with massage and temperature control functions. Each seat comes with its own entertainment display and connectivity options. The dashboard features a massive curved touchscreen that spans across the front, integrated with Toyota's advanced AI assistant system. Smart glass windows can automatically tint for privacy or transparency at the touch of a button. The upper section of the cabin acts as a private suite or observation area, giving passengers a breathtaking panoramic view. There's even a mini kitchen setup, lounge space, and sleeping area, making it perfect for long luxury trips. Everything inside feels crafted for ultimate comfort, relaxation, and convenience. When it comes to performance, Toyota has envisioned this machine to be powered by an advanced electric or hybrid drivetrain. Early reports suggest a dual or triple motor setup that delivers immense power, torque, and smooth acceleration. The large capacity battery pack is designed for long-distance travel, offering an impressive range while maintaining high efficiency. Toyota's latest regenerative braking technology and AI-enhanced energy management ensure maximum performance with minimal energy loss. The vehicle also features an intelligent suspension system that automatically adjusts to road conditions, providing a smooth, stable, and silent ride. Advanced driver assistance systems, including autopilot, collision detection, adaptive cruise control, and lane guidance, make the driving experience futuristic and stress-free. Now, let's talk about pricing. Since this is still a concept vehicle, Toyota hasn't announced any official price tag yet. However, considering the level of technology, design, and luxury packed into it, experts estimate the price could range anywhere between $900,000 to $1.5 million, depending on features and customization. This puts it in the same league as luxury yachts or private jets, but for the road. Overall, this Toyota Futuristic Motorhome isn't just a concept, it's a vision of what the future of travel could look like: intelligent, luxurious, sustainable, and completely reimagined. Toyota has truly raised the bar once again, proving that the road to the future is not only electric but also incredibly beautiful.